Well, Selvin, you've done it again. Truck on the Bayou, authentic Cajun food is coming your way. Houston, Texas. Step in here, my man got him a little warmer. Two fryers. Steam table. Got him a TV back there. Got my AC unit in there. About to tighten him back up. Got him a little swivel deal for us. Oh, can I take your order? Yes. Put the money right there. Plastic. I'd say we got a winner here, folks. Let me go this way. Do a little bit more of this action here. Happy customers. That's what I like to see. Need a better camera too. Whew. Mr. P, what's that? You worked it out? A little bit? Got a little bit more to go? Mr. P over there. About to start on him next. He checking out the before so he can get the after like my man's here. Wrap looked like it came out decent. Too bad it's raining right now and I can't kind of get it out here so I can see like I want to see. But anyway. Hook 'em.